Question number 30. Let us do first of all question number 2. Differentiate with respect to x. Y equal to log in bracket e raised to x into x raised to n into 3 raised to x. So whenever there is a question of logarithm, first of all you have to use the rules of logarithm and you have to simplify. What is the rule of this log m into n? Any of you know? What is the rule of log m into n?
So log m plus log n.
Correct. Log m plus log n. So you can consider this is m n p. So you can write y equal to log e raised to x plus log x raised to n plus log 3 raised to x. Then after you can use this rule log m raised to n. What is simplification? What is the rule for this? Any of you know?
N log m.
Yes, n into log m. So you can write power here and multiply with log m. So tell me the expansion of this. So it is nothing but x into log e plus n into log x plus x into log 3. Now see here, whenever this thing is there, log e, here we have to assume default base is e. Here in derivative default we have to assume base e, and log e base e is always 1. So here, or you can say here log e equal to 1. Simply you can write log e equal to 1. So this log e you can put 1. It is not derivative, it is simplification, and keep this as it is. And now once again x into 1 is x plus n log x plus x log 3, and this is simplified form of this given question. And now differentiate with respect to x. Now dy by dx. Tell me the derivative of x.
1.
1.
1.
Correct. N is a constant number, keep that as it is. And derivative of log x. What is derivative of log x? Derivative of
1
log
upon
x.
x. 1
Yes,
upon
1
x.
upon x. Yes, 1 upon x. Plus, see this log 3 is a constant number. So there is a rule of k into x. Constant number into x. The answer of that is constant number only. Because the derivative of x is 1. So here x log 3 is a constant and derivative of x is 1. So we can answer log 3 only. So our final answer is dy by dx equal to 1 plus n upon x plus log 3, and here always we have to consider base e. So my final answer is 1 plus n upon x, 1 plus n upon x plus log 3 base e. Okay, let us do this question. Question number 1. Y equal to e raised to x into log x cube. E raised to x into log x cube. So first step, e raised to x keep as it is, but this log x cube, see power is 3, so you can write 3 times log x according to the rule. And now you can start dy by dx by taking u equal to e raised to x and v equal to 3 log x. Now differentiate. What is derivative of e raised to x? In yesterday, means last lecture, we were discuss about that already. We discussed about
E
that.
raised to x.
Yes, e raised to x. and derivative of, see 3 is a constant and derivative of log x is 1 upon x, so it is 3 upon x. Now this is u, this is v, so dy by dx according to the formula or rule of multiplication, you have to write u into derivative of v plus v into derivative of u. So derivative u means what? E raised to x into dv by dx means this 3 upon x plus v means what? 3 log x, and du by dx, this is du by dx e raised to x. So this is my final answer. Or you can take common e raised to x as well as 3 is common. So you can take 3 into e raised to x common. So here we get only 1 upon x and here we get log x. So this is my final answer. So 3 into e raised to x in bracket 1 upon x plus log x, or you can write log x plus 1 upon x, it's same thing. Okay, see uh, question number 31, third one. Question number 31, third one. Y equal to e raised to x into x raised to e. E raised to x into x raised to e. Now here also you can start u into v rule directly. Dy by dx. What is the rule? U as it is. E raised to x as it is. Now tell me the derivative of x raised to e. Any of you know derivative of x raised to e?
E upon x.
No,
E raised to x.
no. X raised to e. It's
X
like
raised
x
to
raised to n. Here n is there. Here
X,
e is there.
X, EX raised.
E
E only.
into x raised to e minus 1. What is derivative of x raised to n? N into x raised to n minus 1. Instead of n, here e is there. That's it. Plus x raised to e as it is. And tell me the derivative of e raised to x.
E raised to x.
E raised to x.
E raised
Correct.
to X.
Yes. Now see, this e raised to x keep as it is. Keep this e as it is. Instead of x raised to e minus 1, can we write this as x raised to e upon x raised to 1? Is it possible?
Yes, yes.
And keep this as it is. X raised to e and e raised to x as it is. Now take common. You can take e raised to x, see, e raised to x, and x raised to e, x raised to e. You can take e raised to x and x raised to e common. So what we get in bracket? Here we get only e upon x and plus here both already we took outside, so we get 1. So this is dy by dx. So the answer is e raised to x. See the answer, e raised to x into x raised to e raised to x into x raised to e in bracket e upon x plus 1. Okay, let us do this question number 1 of 32. Y equal to x square plus 2x plus 5 upon log x. Here you can use u upon v rule, dy by dx, division rule. Okay, tell me the first step. What we have to do? First of all, what we have to write in denominator?
Square. Denominator square.
Yeah.
Yes,
Log x.
Here you can write log x and multiply with the derivative of this numerator. Tell me the derivative of x square plus 2x plus 5.
2x plus
2x plus 2.
2.
Correct. Then minus sign. And this numerator keep as it is. And derivative of log x.
1
1
upon
upon
x.
x.
1 upon
1
x.
upon x. Now you can simplify. Now you can simplify. So open the bracket. Log x into 2x. That means 2x into log x plus 2 into log x. Now divide, see 1 upon x is there. So divide each term by x and change the sign. Change the sign and x square into 1 upon x, that is x. So we get minus x. 2x upon x, x cancel, we get only 2 but minus 2.
Bundle था.
And here we get minus 5 upon x upon log x the whole square. This is my final answer. Over. See the answer. 2x log x. 2x log x plus 2 log x plus 2 log x minus 2 minus 5 upon x minus x minus 2 minus 5 upon x upon log x the whole square. This is the answer. Okay. Let us do this question. Third. 32, third one. Y equal to 3 raised to x plus 5 upon 1 minus 2x. 3 raised to x plus 5 upon 1 minus 2x. Let us start. dy by dx. Use the u upon v rule. 1 minus 2x the whole square. 1 minus 2x. Now derivative of 3 raised to x plus 5. What is derivative of a raised to x?
X log a.
No, listen carefully. A raised to x. Whenever there is a power x in the power, when there is a x in the power, the answer of that is a raised to x. Derivative of that is a raised to x into log a, and base is always e. So you can write log a base e, or you can simply write log a. No problem at all, because here default base is e. So derivative of 2 raised to x. Tell me the derivative of 2 raised to x.
2 raised to x log a.
Log 2. Tell me the derivative of e raised to x. E raised to
E
x
raised to x.
into log e.
Log
But what is the value of log e? What is the value of log e?
1.
1. So no need to write 1. So that is why only we get e raised to x. But instead of e, any another number is there. Pi raised to x. Tell me the derivative of pi raised to x.
5 raised to
5
x
raised
log
to
5.
x log 5.
Log 5. So here derivative of 3 raised to x. 3 raised to x into log 3.
Log
And derivative of pi is 0. Derivative of pi is 0. So only we get this term. Minus this 3 raised to x plus 5 as it is. Into derivative of this numerator. Tell me the derivative of numerator.
minus 2.
Minus.
Correct. Minus 2. Now simplify. Now simplify. So therefore dy by dx. 1 into this. So we get only 3 raised to x into log 3. Then minus 2x into 3 raised to x into log 3. Just we have to open the bracket. And see this minus and this minus, we get plus. So 2 into 3 raised to x and plus 5 2s are 10 upon 1 minus 2x the whole square. This is my final answer. See the answer, 3 raised to x into log 3. 3 raised to x into log 3. Base is always e. Minus 2x into 3 raised to x into log 3. 2x into 3 raised to x into log 3. Plus 2 into 3 raised to x. 2 into 3 raised to x plus 10. Plus 10 upon 1 minus 2x the whole square. 1 minus 2x the whole square. So that is the way to find out the answer. Let us do this question also. X plus log x upon 5 minus 11x. Fifth one. Okay, let us start. dy by dx. Be fast. Tell me the first step.
Denominator
Numerator.
square.
Yes, in numerator.
Minus
Yes, here.
1 upon
1
plus 1
plus
upon x.
1 plus 1 upon x.
And now you can write x plus log x as it is into what?
Minus 11.
Minus 11.
Correct. Now open the bracket. Multiply 5 with both the terms. So 5 plus 5 upon x.
Plus 5 upon x.
Now multiply minus 11 x with both the terms. What we get?
Minus 11. Minus
Minus
11x.
11 plus 11 upon x. 11 upon x.
11 x
11
upon x.
x
So
upon
x,
x cube.
so x cancel. So we get only minus 11. Clear?
Yes.
Yes. Now this minus plus 11 into x is 11x. And 11 into log x is 11 log x. Upon 5 minus 11x the whole square. Now simplify one more step. See this 11x you can cancel. And here 5 upon x minus this 5 minus 11 is 6. 5 minus 11 is 6 plus 11 into log x upon 5 minus 11x the whole square. This is my final answer dy by dx. 5 upon x, see this 5 upon x plus 11 log x is there, 11 log x minus 6. You can write in any order, no problem. Upon 5 minus 11x the whole square, that is the answer. So majority part of this chapter is over. Now few simple questions are there. Let us do that one. Question number 33. First one. F of x equal to instead of y here f of x is written x square plus 5 and you have to find out f dash 1. So it is very simple question. First of all find out derivative.
2x.
Yes, 2x.
2x.
And now put x equal to 1 in that.
2.
So my answer is 2. So it's very simple question. For 33 first answer is 2. Second one. See the second one. For what value of x the function this, for the function this dy by dx is minus 6. So dy by dx is given and you have to find out x. So y equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 3x plus 8. Now find out first of all dy by dx. Tell me the derivative.
3x square
3x square minus
minus
6x
minus 6x minus 3.
And this dy by dx is given. Dy by dx is minus 6. So in place of dy, now take minus 6 in on right hand side. So what we get? 3x square minus 6x minus 3 plus 6 equal to 0. So we get 3x square minus 6x and minus 3 plus 6 is plus 3. Divide by 3. And this is nothing but x minus 1 the whole square. Check it. Take root on both the sides. So we get x minus 1 equal to 0. That means x equal to 1. Or here for this part, after this part, you can factorize. So factor is x minus 1, x minus 1. That is nothing but what? X minus 1 the whole square. So we get x equal to 1. So here we get the answer x equal to 1. Let us do this 34. Find dy by dx and y is given and obtain its value when x is 1. Now here in this question x is given and you have to find out the value of dy by dx. So y equal to 4 upon x square plus 1. Question number 34. Y equal to 4 upon x square plus 1. Let us start derivative. Be fast. Now tell me here what we have to write.
X square
X
minus
square plus 1.
Into
0.
0 minus. You have to write this 4. And tell me the derivative of x square plus 1.
2x.
2x. Now 0 into anything is 0. So my final answer is minus 8x upon x square plus 1 the whole square. This is dy by dx. But here you have to find out its value when x equal to 1. So let us put x equal to 1. Taking x equal to 1. So we get 8 into 1 upon 1 square is 1 plus 1 the whole square. So we get minus 8 and this is 1 plus 1 2. 2 square is what? 4. So my final answer is minus 2. So minus 2 is the value of the dy by dx when x equal to 1. See equation number 35. For what value of x, f dash x is 0 is given. So f dash x is 0 is given and you have to find out value of x. Where f of x is x square minus 3x plus 2. Very simple question. First of all, find out derivative. Tell me the derivative.
2x minus 3.
And this equal to 0 is given. So you will get the value of x. Very simple. 3 by 2. Let us do 36. Y equal to log x into e raised to x. Y equal to log x into e raised to x. Find out dy by dx. Okay, first step, don't differentiate because log is there. Use the rule of logarithm. Tell me the first simplified form.
Log x plus log e raised to x.
Correct. Now keep this log x as it is, but you can write this as x into log e. But the value of log e
1.
is 1. So my simplified form is log x plus x. This is simplified form. Now differentiate. Now dy by dx. Tell me.
1 upon x plus 1.
Correct. And you can take x LCM if you want. Take x LCM. So you get 1 plus x. Or you can write x plus 1 upon x. But if you keep up to this, it's okay. In exam, if you keep up to this, it's okay. So my final answer is 1 plus x upon x. 1 plus x upon x. Or you can write x plus 1 upon x. Same thing. Now, next one. This 37. First one. Question number 37 first. Y equal to x square plus 12x plus 7 raised to 5. Now listen, here we have to use one rule of derivative which is known as chains rule. What we have to do, listen, you have to consider this as u equal to x square plus 12x plus 7. This is u. And instead of y, it is considered as u, this part. And dy by dx, instead of that, du by dx. Tell me the derivative of this.
2x plus 12.
2x plus 12.
2x plus 12. Now listen, if we consider this as u, our y becomes u raised to 5. Our y becomes u raised to 5. So differentiate y with respect to u. Differentiate y like x raised to 5. Consider this u is a x. So what is derivative of x raised to 5? Same way, u raised to 5 with respect to u. Tell me the derivative of u raised to 5.
5 u raised to
5
u raised to 4.
Correct. Now the rule is dy by dx equal to, just you have to multiply these two. Dy by du means this part into du by dx. This is chain rule. Dy by du into du by dx, and now substitute values. So dy by du, this is dy by du is what? 5 into u raised to 4 into du by dx. Du by dx is what? 2x plus 12. So now here just put the value of u. 5, put the value of u. What is u? This is u. X square plus 12x plus 7. This is u raised to 4. And you can take 2 common. So we get x plus 6. So my final answer is 5 2s are 10. X square plus 12x plus 7 raised to 4 into x plus 6. This is the way to solve this type of question. 10 x square plus 12x plus 7 raised to 4 into x plus 6. Now let us do the practice for this so we get better command on this. Let us do practice. Second one. Y equal to x cube plus 11x square plus 9 raised to 7 by 2. So now first of all consider this as u. So your y becomes u raised to 7 by 2. Now just you have to find out derivative of this. Tell me the derivative.
3x square
Plus,
Plus 22x.
correct. Now dy by du. Find out derivative of this.
1 by 2 u raised to 5 by 2.
Correct. 7 by 2 into u raised to 5 by 2. Now just multiply this, you will get dy by dx. Simply multiply this with this. So 3x square plus 22x, keep that as it is, into 7 by 2 into u raised to 5 by 2. And now you can write this 7 by 2 first. You can take x common from this. So what we get if we take x common?
3x plus 22.
Correct. This 7 by 2 is already here. Now put the value of u. U is what? This. X cube plus 11x square plus 9 raised to 5 by 2. So this is my final answer. You can write like this: 7x by 2, 3x plus 22, and x cube plus 11x square plus 9 raised to 5 by 2. This is my final answer. See the answer: 7 by 2, 7x by 2, then 3x plus 22, 3x plus 22, and then x cube plus 11x square plus 9 raised to 5 by 2. Because of multiplication, you can write a into b into c, or you can write a into c into b, or you can write b into c into a. Everything is same because of multiplication. So order doesn't make any difference for this particular part. So this is my final answer. You can write like this: 7x by 2, 3x plus 22, 3x plus 22, and x cube plus 11x square plus 9 raised to 5 by 2. Because of multiplication, you can write a into b into c, or you can write b into c into a. Everything is same because of multiplication. So order doesn't make any difference for this particular part. Okay, let us do one more example. Question number 38, second one. Y equal to e raised to 5x square minus 9x plus 1. See, we know the derivative of e raised to x. So keep this as u. 5x square 9x minus 9x plus 1 you can write as u. So your y becomes e raised to u. Now simple. Find out derivative. Tell me the derivative.
10x plus
9. And what is derivative of e raised to x? E raised to x. So here e raised to u, e raised to u. Now simply multiply. Simply multiply this. So we get 10x minus 9 into e raised to u. And now put the value of u. Or you can write u e raised to u into 10x minus 9. It's one of the same thing. And now put u equal to 5x square minus 9x plus 1 into 10x minus 9. So this is my final answer. Second one, 10x minus 9. You can write 10x minus 9 as a first term and e raised to 5x square minus 9x plus 1 as a second term. Let us do this question also. 38 first. Y equal to e raised to 2x plus 3. Same way. Tell me the first step. You can take u equal to 2x plus 3. So your y equal to e raised to u. Derivative of u with respect to x. What is derivative? 2. And derivative of e raised to u is e raised to u. So therefore dy by dx is nothing but multiplication of this 2. So 2 into e raised to u and put the value of u 2x plus 3. So this is my final answer, 2 into e raised to 2x plus 3. So that is the way to solve this question. Now you tried remaining all questions except this question number 46 that we will do in our next lecture. And one more question that you do. Okay, this 48, 49, 50. This we will do in our next lecture, as well as this 52, and remaining you to solve by yourself. We will discuss your doubts in remaining questions, and we will do this question number 46, 48, 49, 50 and 52 in our next lecture. So this is enough for today. If you have any question, you can ask your doubt.